Let's do this. Are you ready for a comeback? Are you ready to fly? Are you ready for the moment? Get ready to ride. Calling all the fighters, calling on survivors. Are you up all night? We can take it higher. Let's do this. Let's do this.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Introduce my name is Muhammad Ibnu Rezi, and okay, here I will give you on of the tourist attraction in the city of Palopo. Let's go.
Pancasila Field is located in the province of South Sulawesi, precisely in the city of Palopo. This field has a length of approximately 200 meters, wide and width of approximately 115 meters, which was built in 2017 and opened in 2020. This field is often used as a tourist spot for families, and in the morning this field is often used as a place for sports such as gymnastics, jogging, and others. And in the afternoon, in the light at night, field is used as the Palopo city. There are many food vendors around the Pancasila field, ranging from typical local foods to delicious drinks. Okay, are you guys interested? Here I'm waiting for you. Arrival. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Without you.